Hey everyone, Chris Fix here. Today we're tackling a common issue with the Porsche Cayenne, that annoying knocking sound. Let's dive right in. First, we need to figure out what kind of knocking sound we're dealing with. Is it a deep, rhythmic knock from the engine? This could be a sign of worn bearings or a valve train issue. Pay close attention to the frequency and location of the sound. If the knock is consistent and seems to come from deep within the engine, it could be a more serious issue like worn bearings or a problem with the valve train. Or is it more of a clunking sound that you hear when driving over bumps? This type of noise is often related to suspension issues such as worn control arm bushings or ball joints. If the knocking sound happens mostly when you accelerate, it could be due to worn CV joints. To help your mechanic diagnose the problem more accurately, try to record the sound using your smartphone. This will provide valuable information and make it easier to pinpoint the exact issue. If the knock is from your engine, it's crucial to address it promptly to avoid further damage. Pop the hood for a quick visual inspection. Look for any obvious signs of trouble, like leaks or loose components. Check your oil level and color. Healthy oil should be amber and clear. Low or milky oil could indicate bigger problems, such as a blown head gasket or coolant mixing with the oil. Inspect spark plugs and ignition coils for wear. Worn spark plugs can cause misfires, leading to engine knocking. Bad gas can cause knocking. Consider adding a fuel system cleaner to help remove deposits and improve performance. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes related to timing or sensors. These codes can give you a clearer idea of what might be wrong. A clean engine bay makes your life easier. It helps you spot issues more quickly and keeps your car running smoothly. If you hear a knock or clunking sound when driving over bumps or potholes, it could be a sign of an issue with your car's suspension or steering components. If the noise occurs when turning, it's crucial to check these components thoroughly. Start by inspecting your suspension and steering parts. Pay close attention to the control arm bushings. Look for any cracks, wear, or excessive movement, as these can cause clunking sounds. Next, check the struts and shock absorbers. Inspect them for any signs of fluid leaks or excessive bouncing, which can indicate they need replacement. Examine the ball joints and tie rod ends. These should be free of play or looseness, as any movement here can contribute to the noise. Don't forget to inspect the sway bar links. Check for any signs of wear or breakage, as these are common culprits for clunking sounds. Always ensure your car is safely supported on jack stands before performing any inspections or repairs. Safety should always be your top priority. By following these steps, you can systematically pinpoint the source of the clunking sound and address it effectively, ensuring a smoother and quieter ride. If the knock happens mainly when you accelerate, inspect your drivetrain components. Check CV axles for excessive play or clicking noises. Inspect motor and transmission mounts for cracks or separation. Examine driveshaft and differential mounts for wear. Diagnosing drivetrain issues can be tricky. Consult a mechanic if needed. These checks will help you identify the problem. Now that you've inspected and hopefully fixed the source of the knock, it's time for a test drive. Listen carefully when you accelerate, brake, go over bumps, and turn. If the knock is gone, congrats. You saved a trip to the mechanic. If it's still there, you might have missed something. Consult a trusted mechanic for further diagnosis if needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car repair videos. See you next time.